everyone! Welcome to my channel, Art by IF Saddle. In this channel, I will be sharing my passion for art and creativity in all its forms. Whether it's painting, drawing, or digital art, I will showcase my work and inspire you to explore your own artistic side. As a painter, I believe that art is a universal language that transcends cultural and geographical boundaries. Through my paintings, I aim to convey my emotions, stories, and visions, allowing viewers to connect with the artwork on a deeper level. In my videos, you will find a variety of topics, from beginner tutorials to more advanced techniques, and everything in between. I will also share my experiences, thoughts, and ideas on various art-related subjects, as well as collaborate with other artists and creators to broaden our horizons and learn from each other. Together, we will embark on a creative journey where art and self-expression will be the driving force. So, if you're a painter or just someone looking to explore their artistic side, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the exciting content we have in store for you. Thank you for joining me on this artistic adventure, and I hope you enjoy the ride!